everyone, it's Ava, and today I'm at the 3rd annual ASPCA event, and you're watching On the Spot Interviews. And I'm here with...
I'm Tyler Model.
Well, it's great to meet you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, anytime. So you're performing for us, right?
Yeah, I just performed earlier. I had so much fun, and I'm just really excited to be here because this is a great cause, and I'm a huge animal lover myself. I have a bunch of pets at home, and so I was really glad to be a part of the cause.
Yeah, it's a great event. Still one of my favorites. This is my 3rd time coming, so...
Oh, wow. Awesome. The ASPCA is incredible.
They are for real. So, you said you had some pets of your own. What types?
I love animals of all kinds. Of course, I have 1 dog and 4 cats, and I love exotic animals. I want to get a zebra and a cobra. A friend of mine has a pet cobra, and so I'm hoping to do that at some point. And then my grandfather had a pet monkey when he was my age, so yeah.
Well, that's like good for on your bucket list or something to own those pets.
Yeah, actually, that's up there near the top 5.
What else is in the what is on the top 5 for music, I should say?
Definitely playing at Madison Square Garden, and then, well, just for music, I'm thinking of my top 5 in general. Madison Square Garden is on there, but for music, I would say winning a Grammy. Definitely, you know, like selling out my own major headlining tour worldwide. That's something I'd love to do, and just like having a really long career. I want to have longevity, and just, you know, doing something that has a positive impact on this generation and people to come, that doesn't just like live out through the people who hear my music now, that inspires people who maybe want to be an artist someday, and they can look up to me, and hopefully I leave some good steps for them to follow in.
So what are the steps that, if you had to summarize, I know the music process is like 100 steps, if you had to summarize your work in 3 steps, what would they be?
Practice, practice, and practice. Yeah, you can never be too good at what you do, and you know, there's, for every 10 people who are great at what they do, one person. But you want to be that 1 person out of 10 who really shines, and I just take what I do very serious, and you know, also having fun is very important. Trying at the same time, take it serious, but don't be too serious about it, because like you want to have fun, because it goes by very fast. Everything that I've done, I look back and I'm like, wow, I can't believe I did this, this, and this, and it's only been in this amount of time. So you want to enjoy the ride, and because you're only young once, you only have 1 life, so just like have fun with everything.
I agree 100%.
Thank you.
So I keep on talking about your music, yet I haven't even asked you, where can we find it?
Oh yeah, you can find my music on iTunes, of course, and on my website, tylermodel.com. And my new EP came out earlier this year. It's called Searching for Juliet, and my single is
That
out.
is such a creative name.
Thank you. Well, I just came up with the name because at the time, well, I'm not dating anyone right now. I'm still single, but at the time, I had like just gotten out of a relationship, and I was like reflecting back on past relationships I had been in, and all the qualities, like that 1 person that I guess my dream girl who I hope to someday find, and that kind of led me to the title of Searching for Juliet, searching for that dream girl, the person who, it's like that person that you meet, like the movie scenario. It's like love at first sight kind of thing. And then of course my new single is out right now. It's called All I Ever Wanted. It's on iTunes as well, and the music videos on my YouTube channel.
Oh, great. Yeah, so what is your YouTube channel link along with Twitter and Facebook fan page?
All my social media is just my name, Tyler Model. So if people want to find me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, just look up Tyler Model. My last name is spelled M-A-T-L.
Thank you for keeping it so simple for us.
Thank you guys so much for having me. I've had a lot of fun talking with y'all.
Oh, yeah, anytime. And yeah, I'm sure I'll see you around. I come to events like once a month. So
awesome.
If I could, I'd come to every one of them. I live in San Diego, though, so. But
nice. Yeah, I'm actually in San Diego a lot.
What? Okay,
yeah.
Tweet me your next show. I will definitely be there.
Definitely, I will.
Okay.
Awesome.
Great. Thank you.
Ava, right?
Ava.
It's great to meet you. Thank you so much.
You too. Thank you.